I don't want it going so slow.
You're interrupting my downtime. I gotta get going. Okay, it looks like we're about 3/100. Give or take 50 or 100. So we got about 3/100 long.
Is it 25 or 1?
Doesn't matter.
What do you mean doesn't matter? Oh, I guess you're right. Alright, so go 1.
A 1-inch axe will not go through a 25, except the 25mm spacer are all 1 inch, so it doesn't matter.
I thought 25 is smaller than 1 inch, no?
Only 15.
Oh no, that's right, that's
15
right.
15th different, and all the 25mm spacers have 1-inch hole through them, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
This is not 3 inches long. Okay, this one here looks like it's short. Is it an 08?
That looks like about 7 inches.
Okay, that one is that's like 3.2, so that's a little long.
I call it
this
6.
one's 40. This one's in 548. We got this on 548. 748.
Oh, I saw a small one down there.
This is even longer. Here's a short one right there.
This is one you see on the internet, you know, on those sites.
Bingo, 3 inch, 3050. This is an 04. I don't know 04 what.
Yeah, but this bike's an 03. Uh-oh. Leave the packaging?
Sure. Okay, with the packaging it's too long.
Perfect.
Maybe without the packaging it might be just right. This isn't an 04?
No, it's not.
This might be off a road turd or something. Road turd have a wheel about that wide?
I think so.
Perfect. This is made by Harley. Let's see, this was made in 04, it looks like. 2004. Oh no, it's 13. What's that 04 down there for? It's made in 13.
Maybe the packaging was from before.
Damn, that knife is sharp. Look at that, 25mm. Ooh, that's close. That's really close. I think it'll just make it. Remember our test we were doing?
Yeah.
Which way is it leaning?
To the left. To the outside.
To the outside? That means it's too tall in the middle. It'll work. Okay, we're going to use an 04 spacer.
That is really close.
So it's an 04 spacer and an 03. Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah, close enough.
Okay. Are the bearings tight?
Smack it with a hammer.
Those tight?
Yeah, these are kind of tight.
We're going to put the spacer in the center this time so that we have some kind of alignment.
Let's do it.
You know, the problem is the threads aren't 1 inch, so it doesn't really help you any. I need to make an actual tool for doing that.
They make them. You just gotta cough up the big bucks.
No, I gotta make an, I'm gonna take it like a bolt, 1-inch bolt. Cut the head down a little bit, so it just pushes against the bearing. And that'll align and go straight down all at the same time.
You gotta make one for the other side too. So you can hold the other side bearing while you're pressing the opposite side so it doesn't just push it.
Straight down. So I just gotta get like a 1-inch. You got a 1-inch bolt? Give me a 1-inch bolt.
No, I don't have a 1-inch bolt.
It could be an Allen too. No, it's gotta be a big. Well, I can put a wash on it. I'll have to make a wash to get on the outside edge. But yeah, I just gotta make a tool one of these days. I haven't done it yet. I'll have to make one. Okay, where's our pressing tool? It's still over there?
Did you lose it?
I lost it already. Yep, it's over here. This one's a lot lower than the last one.
Hold on.
What?
No, we're good.
You want to hold on. Spacer. Wheel's too short. I could have lifted the blocks up, but see how I made this where it just kind of works.
Perfect.
Except when you got a tire and everything on the big fat wheel, it's still just a shell. Take out the other side.
Nice.
I didn't hit that.
That wasn't you?
No, it would have been.
Thank God.
See how the other guy did it?
That would have been bad.
It was. Give me that axle real quick. Well, you got a big dick in there. Oh. It's a bell. Are these
Be
forged?
smacking this.
These must be forged.
Must be.
Is that the right one? Perfect. We just use that. Hear that race car out there?
I think it was racy.
I was impressed. stopped right there. Don't push any further.
No, no.
And last time I went a little further.
You went a little bit further. That wasn't good.
No, spacer's tight. A little closer this time.
Nice and lined up.
It's lined up a lot better than it was that last time we did it.
Last time you messed it up.
Correct. Hey, it turns too. Where's your action wheel at?
It's right there.
It's hollow. Yeah,
Perfect.
You didn't even have to beat it in or anything.
No.
Hey, this one doesn't have that special waviness to it like the other one did. Must be something wrong with it.
Must not be American made.
So if the spacer's not tight when it's assembled, that means it's too short. Another clue that you got something wrong. All right, there you go. 2 axles. So this one here, you don't like it?
I don't like that. You want to throw it on the lathe real quick?
Somebody's beating on this with a hammer over here. It looks like they saw cut the end of it off too. The light went off, so you can't see it.
You can see. You can see.
What's up with that side? See, this side here is nice and smooth. This one over here looks like they cut it off with a dull hacksaw.
Hold on. Stick it in the lathe.
Beat the tar out of it. I'm pretty sure it's bent
You pretty sure?
right here. You can see it. See? See this side? You don't wobble. It's wobbling right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Right where that bearing is where they bent it. Didn't tighten the eye clip enough. Okay.
We don't like loose axles.
Way back.